No. No.
Uh-oh. Evelyn has Poe's Frosty Paw cup. You hold it for Popo, Evie. Gotta hold it real still. Oh, Evelyn. What does Popo have?
Here.
Oh, look at her go. She's gonna go get it. Watch out, Po. Here she comes. Here she goes. Watch out, Po. Watch out, Po. She's gonna get it. Oh. Nothing's safe anymore, is it, Po? Aw, you're being such a good boy about it.
Oh, it's taking it away, isn't he, Abby? Huh? You gonna throw it away?
I wish.
Don't flip it over for you, Evelyn. Evelyn,
Da-dum.
flip it over for me.
Da-dum. Dum 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 da-dum dum da-dum dum 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 da-dum.
Little sister's good for something.
Banana. Aww. That's nice. You hold Popo's cup. Sweet girl. Popo says thank you, Effie. That's the bottom of the cup. All gone?
All gone. I'll go take it and throw it away.
Good job.
Way that goes.